Hola! In this video, I'm going to show you how to tell the time in Portuguese and some common questions you can use to ask about the time. To ask what time it is, you can say que horas são. If you want to say it a bit more naturally and faster, try to connect the sounds like this. Que horas são? If you want to politely ask someone for the time, you can say tem horas que me diga. Tem horas que me diga. In Portuguese, you should think of the time in terms of hours. Using the verb ser is the most straightforward way to tell the time. Use é or são, depending on whether you are referring to 1 hour or more. É is used for 1 o'clock, uma hora, and with the terms midday, meio-dia, midnight, meia-noite, and a quarter to, quarto para. The plural form são is used for all other times. Let's take a look at how to say the time using the 24-hour clock system used in Portugal. São 0 horas. É meia-noite. É 1 hora. São 2 horas. São 3 horas. São 4 horas. São 5 horas. São 6 horas. São 7 horas. São 8 horas. São 9 horas. São 10 horas. São 11 horas. São 12 horas. É meio-dia. São 13 horas. São 14 horas. São 15 horas. São 16 horas. São 17 horas. São 18 horas. São 19 horas. São 20 horas. São 21 horas. São 22 horas. São 23 horas. In all the previous examples, we looked at the time at the top of the hour. To clarify or reinforce this idea, use the expression em ponto, which means on the dot or sharp. In formal situations, use the 24-hour clock system and the exact minutes shown on the clock. However, in more casual settings, it is very common to use a 12-hour system. In such cases, just specify whether it's morning, afternoon, or night, if it's not already clear. For example, são 8 horas da manhã. São 3 horas da tarde. São 10 horas da noite. The simplest way to refer to the minutes past the hour is by adding the conjunction e, followed by the number of minutes. For example, são 2 horas e 20 minutos. In most situations, it's optional to include the words horas and minutos because they are implied. So, this example would often be shortened to just são 2 e 20. There are also different expressions for referring to the minutes of the hour. We can divide the clock into 2 parts. To express the minutes from 1 to 30, use the conjunction e to refer to the minutes past the hour. For example, são 3 e 5. São 8 e 15. São 19 e 30. From 31 to 59, use para to refer to the minutes until the next hour. For example, são 20 para as 9. São 5 para a 1. Use the singular article a when referring to 1 o'clock. Additionally, you can also use the terms e 1/4, e meia, and 1/4 para. For example, são 8 e 1/4. São 19 e meia. É 1/4 para as 5. In this case, use the singular verb conjugation é when referring to a quarter. I hope you found these tips useful. Thank you for watching and good luck.